Alrighty, welcome to the electronics series. In this series, we're going to cover basic electronics principles and the essential controllers that goes into our FRC robots. Alrighty, so why are we doing this, right? Over the years of however many Sky and robotics series we've had, right, we've developed certain practices for doing electronics. So hopefully this will serve as some form of documentation of all the practices we have, so future software members can refer back. It allows you to learn at your own pace and new when necessary, right? All of us are coming in with a different baseline of knowledge. So hopefully this will allow you to learn as fast or as slow as you want to. Frees up veteran software members from extensive teaching responsibilities. Right, last year, you can ask Varun, Vibhav, and I, we were kind of reteaching the same things over and over and over again. So hopefully this allows us to do one video, and you guys can refer back to it however many times you want. Right, and through these videos, we kind of establish a greater baseline of knowledge for everyone, and by doing so, we're able to kind of assign more difficult tasks and more complicated tasks, and you guys are able to contribute to the final bot and the robot's construction more. We're also going to cover greater detail than just FRC, right? All of the topics we're going to cover surround are about FRC controllers and principles. But hopefully, for example, the basic electronics principles you can take beyond just this 4-year FRC journey. And finally, you're going to create a greater appreciation for the robot, right? We have a lot of times been put into it by our build team, our business team, and our software team, right? And for example, whenever you turn on the robot, right, by understanding how many connections are going into it, how many protocols are being followed, how many controllers are needed, right, you'll have a greater appreciation of something as simple as just turning it on and connecting over Wi-Fi. All right. So format and use of these videos. We're going to cover a wide variety of topics, like everything from charge current resistance to the CAN bus, right? And instead of making one giant video, I'm going to try to cut it down by topic so that when you refer back to it, you don't have to go hunting. Watch the videos you need to watch, right? If you only know about the PDP or the VRM, don't bother watching those videos, skip into something new. Again, these videos can't possibly cover everything, so I encourage you to, for example, just go to the FRC Reddit or go online somewhere and learn more about these topics. Of course, right now I'm at my house, so I don't have the equipment for live demonstrations with the actual stuff. But hopefully in the future, if we ever go back to school, I can try doing something like that. And also, I hope that future software members, right, maybe not through videos, but make some form of documentation for the practices they learn about and the best ways of doing things, right? Just constant improvement for our Skyline Robotics team. And again, ask questions, right? Vibhav, Varun, and I are here for you. Feel free to DM us. Feel free to use the software channel. Ask the questions. Don't be shy, right? And finally, I am not an expert, right? A lot of the things I've learned is either from online or from personal experience. So a lot of things I may say may be inaccurate. And if you do catch that, please let me know and I'll issue a fix for it immediately. All right. That's about it for this video. The next video is going to be on charge, current, and resistance.